Let's talk about how to upload required information before you can place your safety eyewear order. Before you start selecting a frame, Eyelation requires 2 items to be uploaded to process your order: a valid prescription and a profile picture. Let's start by uploading our prescription. Scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard to Required Items and select Prescription. A screen will appear asking if you would like to add the prescription now or send it later. We recommend that you upload the prescription now. If Eyelation does not receive a prescription within 10 days of placing the order is automatically canceled. You will receive 2 email notifications reminding you to upload your prescription before the cancellation. If you select Send It Later and need to send us your prescription, you can email us at questions@eyelation.com or have your eye care provider fax it to us at 708-572-6487. We will then upload it to your account and process your order. If you select Add It Now, it will prompt you to upload your prescription. If you are accessing our online marketplace through an internet browser on your tablet or your smartphone, you can use your camera to take a photo of the prescription. If you are on a computer, you will need to browse and upload the prescription, or you can drag and drop the file from your desktop. When you are taking a picture of the prescription, please make sure that you are capturing all of the information in the photo. We must be able to clearly see the prescription, patient information, doctor's information, exam and expiration dates in order to process your order. Now that we've uploaded our prescription, the next step is to upload a photo of ourselves. We require a profile picture for 2 reasons. We will acquire your pupillary distance measurement using our PD calculator, and it will also be used to access our VirtueFit technology feature where you can preview safety eyewear on your face. Under Required Items on the dashboard, select Profile Picture. This will take you to your profile. Click on the pencil image and a screen will appear asking you to enter your PD or your pupillary distance. Sometimes your eye care provider will provide the PD measurement on your prescription. It could appear as PD, distance PD, or near PD, and the measurement could be 1 number like this or 2 numbers like this. If your eye care provider recorded your PD, you can select I have 1 PD or I have 2 PDs and enter the measurement. If your eye care provider did not provide you with your PD measurement, select Let Eyelation calculate my PD. Another window will appear to guide you on how to take your profile picture. Try to take the picture in a well-lit area. Please make sure that you are taking the photo straight on and close up so we can see your pupils for the PD measurement. You will also need to remove your glasses and anything else that may be obscuring your face, like a hat or a mask. If you are accessing our online marketplace through an internet browser on your tablet or your smartphone, you can use your camera to take a photo of yourself. If you are on a computer, you will need to browse and upload the photo, or you can drag and drop the image from your desktop.